Your WordPress theme does more than make your site look good. It can make or break your SEO. From page speed to mobile responsiveness, your theme plays a huge role in how search engines rank your content. In this video, we'll unpack the hidden SEO factors inside your theme and show you how to pick the right one and walk you through switching themes without losing your rankings. So, let's start with the basics. Your theme controls the front end experience, but it also affects the underlying code, structure, and how search engines interpret your site. A poorly coded theme can confuse crawlers, slow down your pages, and even block indexing. Among the key SEO factors influenced by themes would be HTML structure and semantic tags, schema markup support, CSS or JS file optimization, and accessibility and mobile first design. Speed is a ranking factor. Themes with bloated code, excessive animations, or heavy page builders can drag your load time. And if your theme isn't mobile optimized, you're losing out. Google uses mobile first indexing. So tips for speed optimization would be to choose a lightweight theme such as Astra, Generate Press, and to avoid themes with bundled plugins you don't need. Use tools like GTmetrix or Page Speed Insights to test performance. Now, not all themes are created equal. Look for themes that are built with SEO in mind: clean code, fast loading, schema support, and accessibility features. The checklist for SEO-friendly theme would be lightweight and modular design, valid HTML5 markup, built-in schema support, responsive layout, and accessibility compliance. Now, here are the top SEO-friendly themes to consider. First would be the Astra theme. So this theme is lightning fast and highly customizable. So this is how it looks like if you're going to use this theme on your page. So you can customize this further. Another thing or another theme that you can use would be Hollow Elementor. So Hollow Elementor is actually a theme bundled with the Elementor plugin. So this is how it looks like. It's quite simple and it allows you to create a clean, sleek design. And last on the list would be Cadence. So Cadence is actually a Gutenberg theme that you can use for your website. So this is how it looks like. So this is highly ideal for landing pages. This is how it looks like once you apply this to your page. Now, changing themes without breaking SEO. Switching themes, it's not just a click and go. You need to protect your SEO settings, preserve your URLs, and avoid breaking your layout. So steps to safely change your themes would first be back up your site first, such as your files and database. Use a staging environment to test, check permalink structure, preserve metadata and schema, recheck internal linking and menus, and resubmit sitemap to Google Search Console. Now, here's what to avoid: themes with outdated code, poor mobile UX, or excessive reliance on third-party builders. These can slow down your site and confuse search engines. So, red flags to watch for would be no updates in over a year, inline styles and scripts, missing out attributes for images, poor heading hierarchy. Your theme sets the tone for your site SEO success. Choose wisely, test thoroughly, and optimize continuously. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.